Today's day 3, or I guess gonna be part 3 of the whole 240 wrap job. I actually did something a little bit off camera just to kind of give it a feel, and I might as well kind of show you guys. I'll also tell you guys exactly what we're diving into right now, right here. So let's just show you guys. I actually went ahead and tackled the door jamb by myself. Obviously using some knifeless tape, and man, you can get some really, really clean cuts with that stuff. So that's looking super, super good. I mean, if you guys can kind of maybe get a sense for, you know, just looking super clean. So now I'm gonna go ahead and work on the lower portion down here. I guess the rocker, if you want to call it that. And then we'll go ahead and, you know, just make it looking as if this whole car was blue to begin with, you know what I mean? So, alright, so I don't know how many hours it's been, but it's been several, for sure. Got everything complete, as you can see. I mean, it looks like this car was like almost meant to be blue, man. I even went in there, I tried to do my, tried to do my best to kind of get around the old latch right there. Looks pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. Kind of made the straight edge down the bottom, or on the side. And obviously, if you guys want, you can go ahead and really, you know, get thorough and take off your doors. However, for me, I'm just gonna go ahead. We'll go ahead and mask some stuff up, and eventually we'll toss some paint on like the inner frame part of the car. You might see kind of in between the fender and the door. Also, eventually, I will go ahead and I'm gonna do the back sides on my doors as well. That way, so when you open the door, it's actually full-blown blue. However, I'm just so stoked on how this came out, man. Like, this was tricky, dude, and I'm by no means a rapper, but I mean, you know, you guys can kind of see, I mean, it's looking pretty damn good. So, one thing I actually had to do, which I didn't tell you guys, or didn't show you guys, so we removed these, obviously, however, they're kind of, sort of back on. So I had to, I didn't have any luck. I got myself an impact hammer to try and take these guys off. No luck. So we actually just went ahead and I drilled them, and then I used an extractor bit, nailed them out, and I just ordered 4 new bolts. They're like 60 cents a piece. I don't know if you guys remember this a while ago. I redid my trim, and I started like sanding this, and I like sanded through this, and I thought it was just painted. Turns out it's a sticker. So just slowly making my way. Definitely need a heat gun. Just gotta get it warm, and it peels up pretty easily. So that is what we're doing. We're just gonna do this side because that side is in good condition, and if we were to wrap over it, you would see this kind of weird indentation, and we don't want that. So let's just let's get this off. All right, guys, it's late at the shop. It's like 11:30. However, I'm feeling a little ambitious here to go ahead and try and get this kind of inner door piece complete. So we'll do the side here and the underneath. Let's give it a shot. All right, so as you guys can see, we have the inner, or I don't know what you want to call it, but we have one of the pieces all wrapped, and I'm just going to show you the super satisfying bit of taking the knifeless tape seam off. So, coming under here, and we'll just give her a little yankarooski. Alright guys, we're back again for another wrap video on the 240. As you guys can see, progress is coming along super good. From this angle, it actually looks like she's almost done. However, we today are working on the quarter panel, which is going to be the first panel we're wrapping. I'm currently working on this hood. Obviously, we got Greg, Visual Expressions, follow him. And we have a lot of mud, well not a lot, but... So, I don't know if you guys missed the whole video where me kind of fixing my hood where it was all ruined, and I guess, I did fix it. It looks really good on the underside. However, I guess warped the metal kind of mid-weld. And I was being real careful with it. Like little tack, moved tack, you know, it wasn't really kind of sticking in one area for too long. But it still kind of messed with it. So I had it all kind of prepped. However, we got some, like a scrap piece of vinyl, laid it on top, and you can kind of see a little bit of waviness. So I'm trying to get this set where, actually that rear bumper is pretty much good to go. And then the only thing that's left is the rear bumper and the front bumper, the hood and the quarter and the rocker on the driver's side. Actually, you guys would have seen that. I already showed you guys. We wrapped the whole jam looking good. Yeah, I mean, we're about to lay some vinyl, get this thing, actually this side of the car will be complete, so super stoked on that. Let's get started. Also, if you guys missed, obviously we have a little bit of a new project in the shop. Make sure you guys go check out that last video, because, yep, it's pretty major. Also, a little surprise about the motor in this car right now, so make sure you guys go check that out. But we're gonna dive into this build here very shortly. Honestly, once this video goes up, or maybe, actually, you guys, I don't know. Videos will be crazy. A lot of content coming on this. We're going to be starting this week for sure, so don't miss it. Got herself a good old breakfast of champions right there, even though it's lunchtime. That's what we're rolling with, little peanut butter chocolate chip. How would you give them a little review there? How'd they do?
They're fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yep.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Tops is killing it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, jeez. Woo! Yes. That's large.
Oh yeah. Right there.
I feel like if I were to try this by myself, like, I would honestly probably start crying. That's crazy.
I've done it so many times, dude. I can't even remember.
What's the biggest length of vinyl you have to put? Well, that van probably, right?
The biggest piece I've ever laid was a 30-foot boat.
Jesus. Yeah. Damn, Daniel.
Damn.
Damn. Back at it again. Also, you guys been asking about my red valve cover, if I'm gonna change it. Hell no! That looks so good. I think that kind of contrast is perfect. Honestly, I'm really loving it. So no, I'm definitely not. Someone was asking if I'm gonna wrap my valve cover. Can you even do, like, what's the heat temperature on, like, what can a wrap? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, no, that's what I figured. No. That's what I figured. So yeah, definitely no. Oh, just can't focus. Ooh, that looks good. I mean, you guys have already seen the other quarter panel down, but man, the lighting is different on this side. Looking real good. I'm getting so many people saying that after they've seen it on the car, they're like, sold, whereas before they were like, I don't know about it. But no, I was confident the whole time. I was so close to picking a different color. Honestly, super pumped I got this one. Definitely picked the right one. And look at this. Obviously looks good. No more antenna. Killer. Nice and clean. Now we're rocking out the Gym Jams. As you guys saw, we got the passenger side done, but now we're rocking these ones out. Killing it. Hopefully we have the whole kind of rocker done as well, so that way this whole side of the car will be complete. Just rolling, man. Looking real good. Whew, yep. Obviously. We doing it right around here. No corners being cut. Even got it up there. Well, keeping the door all on. Let's you know, don't forget about that. Over on here, we're making some progress. It's been a while since I've updated y'all. See what we got going on in here. Oh yeah, got the old VIN sticker cut out. Looking nice. Gym Jam looking crispy. Looking real good, man. Woo!
Yeah, buddy.
Yes.
She's getting there.
She is getting there, for sure. Oh, that's looking good. Yep, getting in there.
Jam's looking real good.
No red on this bad boy. She gone.
Grab your corner.
Yeah. Yes. about you guys, but that looks so damn good. That color is on point. If you guys agree, if you guys love the color, let me know in the comments below. I know a lot of you guys would have chose like gray, or honestly, some of you probably would have kept the red, but listen, I've had the red for like 5 years. Time for a change. And honestly, righteous. This is it. Again, guys, just a quick reminder, make sure you guys go follow Greg, Visual Expressions, link in the description. Instagram is growing, so thank you all of you who have shown some love, shown some support, but we got to keep that number growing. Just so I don't forget, Greg also does, like, if you guys need any windshield banners, if you guys need custom stickers, like in bulk or like one even, just let us know, hit him up on his page. Literally does everything and anything. So if you guys think you might need it, and let's just say you need something done or you want something made, hit him up. There's a very high chance he can make it for you. So, like I said, custom banners. If you guys need like Subaru parts, if you guys, I know a lot of you guys have Subarus out there. We got to start coming up with like some 240 parts, so like some 240 little stuff.
Yeah, like emblem overlays.
Something. So just as an example, for Subarus, if you guys, I guess it's for any Subaru, right? They're all the same emblem, right?
Yeah. So some of them are different sizes, but I got most of all the templates for everything.
All right. So if you guys want like an overlay for like the JDM badge, right, the pink one, right?
Yep.
He can do that. You know what I mean? Because the real ones are probably pretty expensive.
Yes, they are.
So if you want to save a few coin, you know what I mean? That's the way to do it, and it'll still look awesome. But yeah, I mean, windshield banners, again, powder coating, wrapping, Cerakoting, detailing. If you guys want to ship him like your mirrors to do like a little wrap on them, whatever, just small stuff, he can do it. Big stuff, obviously he can do it. Just want to dive in that thing.
Yeah, dude.
Where's that diving board?
Water's nice.
Water's nice and warm today. Woo!
Very common.
Well,
common problem with 3M. Just tears like a
oh boy. Oh dear. All my OGs will remember when I did this. It was like 30 degrees out. No heat gun.
Oh my god.
Literally. I got a crack up here just from torquing her. But man, I haven't seen this red in a while. But yeah, we're definitely gonna redo this, and also we're gonna do these because I actually was able to oddly feather them out. It's like it was like half a sticker down here. This has still got to be a sticker, but I'm guessing it's so like old and dry rotted it, or just like something. It's probably just like embedded. So it faded out. You can't tell at all.
Baked in there.
Yeah, dude, she is in there. Just
yeah, like aggressive.
Yeah. This kind of explains, I guess, all our feelings towards this car. In a nutshell, I guess you could say. Ryan, would you like to explain to the Calvin's Garage people here what's going on with your vehicle here? Oh, he starts it off like that. That's when you know. Oh, boom! I'll just summarize. You, Ryan, need to take that. Is it EJ, right? EJ. We need to take that out. Find a dumpster somewhere, and then what we need to do is take this out, just toss it in there, just little, yep, and hook a drive shaft up. We'll have just rear wheel drive. I mean, it's okay.
Yeah. Massive burnouts.
That's okay, and we'll be done.
I'm down to do it.
So if you guys want that to happen, donate. In a nutshell, that motor is a little pissed off.
Running pretty good, but it's oddly enough.
But the cylinder walls are scored.
Supposedly.
Yes.
It looks like the Grand Canyon in there.
I hit like wow. Yeah. Oh, you want to see a 17?
Oh, did they put you a new snail on?
There's my snail.
They give you a new snail?
And 2017.
Oh, it's still small as hell. However, we have a precision turbo right there for you, Bri.
Yep.
That is for sale.
Yep.
And that little CX is for sale. So if you guys need a little chirps in your life, hit me up.
Although today's getting somewhat of a mod that's not trying to fix it. So.
That's true.
If you want to see that mod.
That's true, yeah. If you guys want to see a bit of moddage action happening on the old gal here. It's been a while since she's been in here.
Let's get some comments down below to get this man a new lens. Oh. So you guys need to step up the game.
All the scratches in it
step
now.
up.
Look at those scratches.
Oh, wow.
Step up the game.
I'm zooming nice on you right now.
Get the lens.
Yeah.
Start a GoFundMe for him.
No, I do.
Get that lens.
We need to actually Yeah, we need to start a GoFundMe for that lens.
There you go.
All right, actually, hang on.
Boom!
All right, now I mean, I don't know. That's a little bit better. This is what we need. Look at the focus. Look at the focus. Look at the focus. We're in. I'm in. Probably not. But that's okay. Was I really in?
You were in.
Go to the. All right, so go like this, and now film yourself. No,
oh, dude.
So hold up. Go back. Yep. I can see all the way to out.
Okay.
Right here.
I can see.
You can go more. You can go more.
Really?
Keep going.
More.
Wow, dude.
I don't think you can even make it.
Really? Are you serious, dude? That's full wingspan over here. Dude, this is incredible. Wow. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Woo! Woo! Dude, it's always in focus.
Yeah. And always in frame.
All right, now we're going back to reality. Alrighty, we're about to close this day out. Car is looking, oh man. Again, let me know what you guys are thinking. I am straight up loving it, looking so good. So probably about one more day, guys. One more day and this thing will be completely complete. Got the hood, good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and try wrapping the rear bumper. And then Greg is gonna go ahead and wrap probably the hardest, definitely the hardest panel on this car. And that is the pig nose. Next up, you guys are probably gonna see a little bit of a work on this build here. If you guys missed the whole kind of intro on that one, make sure you guys go check out the previous video. Cause yep, she's looking good. It's part of the previous, a couple videos back, we introduced this build. As always, make sure you guys tune in for the next one. Turn those notifications on, subscribe if you guys have not yet done so already. A lot of stuff happened. Not only with my car, but obviously with this build is gonna be just, we're gonna change the game. Make sure you guys go follow Greg, Visual Expressions, links are in the description. Obviously, Wicked Street Media Boys, as always, links in the description. But yeah, I mean, thank you guys for tuning in. A lot of stuff happening, as I said. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good night. Later.